Today, with telling time, we're going to focus on the terminology that you may or may not hear for telling time. So, as we've seen, when it comes to telling time, we count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And 60 minutes makes an hour. So that's why it's in the hour. And as you can see, they're labeled with little numbers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So, if you want one of these clocks, email me. I've got several of them in my classroom. If you would like one to practice with, just send me an email and I'll be glad to get you one. Alright, so we're going to take a deeper look at the minutes and see some terminology that you may not be exactly aware of or used to. So we're going to go to our crazy view here. Right there. We can see. Perfect. Alright. So right now I've got my clock set for 9 o'clock. See, the hour hand, which is red, is at the 9. And the minute hand is at the 12, or 60 minutes, which is the same thing as an hour. Now, if we go to the 3, that is the same thing as saying a quarter past 9. The reason that that's a quarter past 9 is this clock is divided into quarter segments. 1, 2, 3. That's a quarter. 1, 2, 3. That's 2 quarters. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 quarters. And 1, 2, 3. That's 4 quarters. So we go from the hour to the 3. That's a quarter past 9. We go to the 6. We would usually say 9:30, but for the sake of this video, we're going to say that's 2 quarters past 9. And if we go to the 9, we're going to say that's 3 quarters past 9, or a quarter until 10. Because we got 1, 2, 3, and remember, because we've got 12 numbers here, 3 makes a quarter. So that's going to be a quarter till the next hour, which is 10. Now we're going to go to 10. So we've got a quarter after 10, 10:30, or 2 quarters after 10, 3 quarters after 10, or a quarter until the next hour, which is 11. A quarter after 11, 2 quarters after 11, 3 quarters after 11, or a quarter till 12. A quarter after 12, 2 quarters after 12, 3 quarters after 12, or a quarter till the next hour, which is 1. So a quarter after 1, 2 quarters after 1, 3 quarters after 1, and 2 o'clock. Now this is also a quarter till 2 o'clock. A quarter until 2 o'clock. So we have a quarter past 2, 2 quarters past 2, 3 quarters past 2, or a quarter until the next hour, which is 3 o'clock. So in a digital clock, it would say 3:15, 3:30, 3:45, and 4 o'clock. It's not going to say 360 because, as you can see, once I get to 60, the hour hand moves to the next hour, which is 4. So, if we want to go by digital clock, 4:15, 4:30, 4:45, 5 o'clock. If we want to go in the quarters, 5:15, 2:15, 3:15, or 1/4 until 6. Now, let's review the 5s. So remember, as we go around the clock with the blue hand, which is the minute hand, we're going to count by 5s. The hour hand's at 6, so we're at 6:05, 6:10, 6:15, 6:20, 6:25, 6:30, 6:35, 6:40, 6:45, 6:50, 6:55, and see the red hour hands on 7, so we're at 7 o'clock. And if you look closely, you go around, you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So again, if you would like to practice, send me an email, have your parents send me a text, and let me know, and I'll be glad to run one of these clocks over to you so you can practice. Nothing makes me happier than my students saying, I want to practice, I want to learn. That makes me so happy. And I will do anything to help you learn and to help you advance in your academic life. So, until next time, guys, this is my watch. Many of you have seen me wear it. It's got the same, well, actually, this one's not labeled like that clock. But, until next time, I'm Mr. Beatty, and I'll see you later. Double peace.